All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Tucson. Welcome to NSF NorLab, and welcome to this beautiful center. This is the first time we've been here. I think we're going to be here more often. I'm Pat McCarthy. I'm the director of NorLab, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all today. In thinking about this meeting, I did a little digging to find out when was the last time NorLab or NOAO or any of our predecessor organizations hosted a solar system science meeting in Arizona. Turns out about 20 years ago, and in fact, it was just a couple of months after Pluto was voted off the island of real planets. So it shows that we're really overdue for a solar system science meeting here. In those 20 years, a lot has changed about how we support solar system science. Working with our colleagues at Fermilab, we built the dark energy camera to study the universe on cosmological scales. Turns out it's really powerful for studying the solar system and its furthest reaches, people studying small bodies out in the Kuiper Belt and so on. Turns out it's also very powerful for studying main belt asteroids, for finding potentially hazardous asteroids on orbits between the Earth and Venus. You might be aware that people use the wide field of the dark energy camera to find more moons around Jupiter, setting the record that Jupiter had the most satellites, then Saturn, then Jupiter. I think Saturn's in the lead now, but it shows the power of a wide field optical imager. Gemini, of course, has been very helpful in studying the giant planets in the solar system for many years, but with its agile scheduling now, it's turned out to be really a go-to instrument for following the interstellar comets and other fast-moving objects in the solar system. But the real game changer that's coming for us is the Rubin Observatory. It's now online. It's going to start its survey soon, and this will be a really powerful tool for studying bodies all across the entire solar system. Part of our mission as the National Center for Optical Astronomy is to work with the community to get feedback and input on how we can best serve the science. And we're particularly interested in this meeting in hearing from you of how we can best serve and advance solar system science using our facilities, software, services, what have you. When we looked ahead a few years ago and realized that Rubin was coming, we thought we better get some real solar system scientists on our faculty because we didn't have any at the time. So we're very happy to have Sarah Greenstreet join us. She's been the key driving force on this meeting with the Scientific Organizing Committee, and they put together a great program. But before I turn things over to her, I want to touch on one point that's very important to me and important to all of our colleagues here at NorLab, and that is that we have a meeting that is respectful and inclusive of all the participants. We have a meeting code of conduct, and we follow it. We want to make sure that everyone avoids behavior that is discriminatory, harassment, bullying. So if you see or experience anything that makes you uncomfortable, reach out to a member of the local organizing committee, and Sarah will introduce them. They'll work with you and make sure that we address the problem. We're all here to have a great meeting to work with each other and advance the science. So with that, I'm going to turn it over to Sarah, who will kick us off.